What is that melody?
I want money, I won't give that woman money. I didn't want it something from me, I just want.
What is up, guys? So I always wanted to do a video like this, you know, my desktop setup, you know, so yeah, hopefully this video is informative, you guys learn something, and you know, I'm gonna share my show with I'm gonna share my setup with you guys, and hopefully you guys glean something from this. So I'll just start with the left side. Got the books here, all right, daily reads. Got some lens to wipe, you know, some dust and stuff like that. Little packet. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Little card. Little notebook. Let's open this up real quick. I mean, I haven't written anything in it, to be honest, but let's take a look at this inside. So we got high school pictures, you know, look at me. Yeah, and then we got the grads and stuff like that. So, you know, little notebook, write down notes and stuff like that, jot them down, all that good stuff. So that's that. Yep, got my little, you know, little plaque right there. Sorry for the bright light. Got that there, WGU wallet, passport, basic writing utensils and stuff like that, staplers, move that around. Glue flashcard, yeah, that's kind of crooked. Let me fix that. All right, got some writing utensils again. Yeah, I do write down notes, cool stuff like that. Got a lamp, you know, especially for the dark, because it does get really dark in here. All right, right now it's sunny right now, so I'm just recording this. So yeah, so I got a monitor. Sorry for the ring background. I got a little monitor right there. This is an AOC monitor. All right. Ironically, the time I'm recording this, I just actually ordered a new one. Let me actually show you guys that real quick. Yeah, it just caught me. This actually just came in today. So I'm gonna put that on the right side. So super dope. How to get another one. I'm currently rocking on the right side. I'm rocking the Asus. I mean, they both work. Great colors and stuff like that. All good. In the middle, I'm rocking a Mac 2020 M1 Air. All right, really good. I've been using this for the past year. Is that a splinter? Hold on, get that out. Yeah, it is a splinter. Been using this since March 2022. Used this for college, for BTO1, for almost all of my exams, pretty much. Use this to work. I use this for everything, to be honest. Edit videos, create content, all that good stuff. It's a really, really dope computer, and I think it fits all. But you may be wondering, hey, what do you use for VMs? I'm not sure if this is gonna pop up, but I use Parallel Desktop. So I have all my VMs here. That should be off. I'm not sure why my CentOS is on, my Kali's on, Ubuntu, and Windows. So if I need some VMs to try out labs or play around with stuff, I have Parallels, which is one of the best hypervisors for Mac. And especially being based off a Unix-like system, you know, I can practice my Linux command in a terminal or in, you know, VS Code. So yeah, that's that. Under here, I have another laptop. We're not going to talk about that laptop. But no, we'll talk about it. It's for, you know, other employment and stuff like that. So yeah, that. What else? We got speakers. All right, we got some speakers here. Got some other speakers here. All right, these are creative speakers. I'll try to put everything in a link description below. We have one of my favorite things. This is a port replicator. So shout out to For Your PC for sponsoring this port replicator. This was like a year ago. They actually gave me 2. So shout out to them. You have to use this on a Mac. It's the Mac. Look at my Mac. I only have one Type-C port. That's literally it, and an ear jack port. That's it. So I can't do any USB type stuff. So got my little 1 terabyte flash drive. Got my USB receiver for this keyboard. It's a Microsoft keyboard. Really, really good. What else do I got in the back? I got it connected to the 2 monitors. I actually added this right here. Shout out to For Your PC again. They gave me this, purchased me this. So this was pretty dope. They gave me another, this actually goes into the Type-C port. So if I want to get extra ports and stuff like that if I'm on the go, get that. Speaking, if I'm on the go, let me show you this. I have to put the camera down real quick, messing up my setup. Unplug this, and we're gonna put the Mac on here. Okay, slightly. All right, so we got the Mac. And oh wow. Okay, there we go. Got the Mac on here. Let me actually put this back. I'm trying to record it. So you see how it is. Let me go back on Do Not Disturb real quick. There we go. All right. There we go. We got the Mac on the stand. The stand is adjustable. All right. So you can type really good on it. Type on the go. Just in case I want good lighting or I'm in a little interview call. Do it from this angle. All right. All that good stuff, and you can adjust the thing in the back. All right, so oh yeah, the laptop stand, really good. I got this like last year. This is really good. What else do I have? Oh actually down here, so you know, got the P5, got the switch down here. P5 is actually connected to this monitor, so that's great. Oh, mic, got an external mic right there, which again connects to the port replicator, which connects to whatever PC I plug in the Type-C here. So it could be that PC, this PC, it does not matter. And I'll just show you guys this real quick. I do have this PC. So this one gets really crazy. This is my tower. You know, I have a 32 gigabyte RAM stick right there. I got, what kind of SSD do I got? I'll put it in the description, but I got some really cool mods on this one. I know the graphics card is kind of outdated, but it is what it is. I usually don't use this anymore, to be honest. I mean, it used to be my daily driver, but again, I could do everything off of Mac. And look what I have right here. I have a USB to Type-C. So let me focus. If I connect this to that, I get access to all the peripheral devices connected. And again, sorry for the ring background. And let me see, it also, you know, got a little water jug on the desk, gotta stay hydrated. And yeah, that's pretty much my desk setup. It took me a couple of days to build it, and I'm gonna definitely add this to it as well. Yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. Yeah, that is my desk setup. All right, guys, and I'll just add some clips and montages in the back or towards the end of me, just building it, having fun, switching out monitors and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully this was informative, and yeah, peace out. Peace.